Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have the link and a signed-in Google account. Start by clicking that link or opening Google Drive/Photos and navigating to the folder shared with you. Once there, make sure your browser has permission to access files or camera if you plan to upload from a device. If uploading from a phone, switch to the mobile browser or Google Photos app. If on desktop, prepare the files in an easy-to-find folder. Now locate the Upload, Add, or New button to begin the transfer. Click Upload or Add and choose Files, or simply drag and drop images into the open folder. This speeds the process and preserves file names. On mobile, tap Choose from Device or Photos, then long press to select multiple images. On desktop, use Shift or Control-click for batch selection. Make sure the files are supported formats like JPG or PNG and under any size limits imposed by the folder settings. Once selected, confirm and watch the upload progress bar until it reaches 100%. Once uploads finish, preview thumbnails and open a couple of images to confirm integrity. Then set the correct sharing permissions or move photos into specific albums so collaborators can find them. If a duplicate or wrong file appears, delete and re-upload the correct version. If an upload fails, retry after clearing browser cache or switch to incognito. Alternatively, compress large files, rename files to remove special characters, or use the Google Drive desktop/mobile app to bypass browser issues. These steps usually resolve common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.